Okay, why you low crawling? It's not the military, honey.
It's always there.
Uh-huh. Good morning and welcome to another day in my life. Today is episode 17, and as the title suggests, it is about finding out that I am a high-risk pregnancy. And because I found out this information today, there's going to be a huge shift in how the business will be run, because obviously my child health will always come first. You eat cookie because you're so hungry? Is that so? Okay. Want to change diaper and then have some more?
No, I'm gonna play cookie this time.
Okay, you can have more cookie then.
Me too. Wow! Ooh.
I woke up feeling really tired, and I'm just not myself. But seeing my girls always make me happier, and it helps me get ready for another long day. We actually have a lot of vacancy this month, and I guess with people saying yes and then canceling, it's just been really tiring because I constantly have a shift in my work schedule, and it's been really annoying, to be honest. And it's funny because in the last video we were celebrating a lot of wins, but what I want to also remind you is losing happen. You know, there's going to be a month that nothing worked out for some odd reason, and this month it seems like nothing is really working out. Like, we would go through the whole inspection process and then the client will drop the apartment last minute, and it's just been really annoying, but what can you do, you know? And things that I thought was handled wasn't handled, and client that changed their mind last minute that wasted my time the whole month really is disheartening. But these are things that does happen, and these are things that are real. So I want to let you know that along with the win, you have to be okay with losing as well. Anyways, after the morning showings, I'm now at the OBGYN, and today I am gonna get to hear my baby's heartbeat, which is really exciting for me. I guess this is when it's most crazy, to be honest, because this was one of those negative memory that I had with the last child that I lost. I thought everything was fine, but then it wasn't. But now seeing that my baby have a heartbeat, I definitely feel so much better, and it feels like, you know, everything that was bad that happened in the world isn't so bad anymore. And when I came home, I realized that my husband got me flowers, and that always made me feel really happy. With us both being slammed on a schedule, my husband did not attend this doctor appointment with me, and so when I called him to give him the good news as well as the bad news, he sent me flower just to cheer me up. And tonight we're going out to eat to celebrate that the baby has a heartbeat and the baby is healthy. On the way home, I did stop by the grocery store, pick up some stuff, because even if I go out to eat, I still make a dinner for everybody else who's staying here, and as well as Kate and Cara. And I pick up some of the cookies for her to kind of decorate. No, they don't really eat it, they just kind of decorate, and it just keeps them occupied. And yes, they changed because they got themselves into a mess. When I'm away, they usually draw, paint, read, and I have the TV running in the back like background noise, because this is how they literally learn the song, as well as new words through repetitions. Anyways, as they both play and do their own thing, it's time for me to cook, and after I cook and fed them, this is what came through the mail. Look what baby sister got me. Woohoo! Let's see. Everyone's so excited, including me. Ah! Gotta get them all. Wow. She got me some jimmies. After feeding the girl their lunch. They went to bed, and since that's in time, I'm gonna have a snack as well as edit some videos and send it to my clients.
Kiss Tommy.
Yes. Thank you for kissing Tummy. Tummy doesn't hurt anymore.
Kiss Tommy.
Yeah, my tummy doesn't hurt anymore. Could you kiss my tummy?
Say cake. Say cake.
No. Come on, Kara. Kiss Mama tummy. There's a baby in here. Baby in the tummy. Another sibling. Oh my goodness. The sibling's so happy. Are you ready to be an older sister?
Insect.
Insect. Okay.
It's a spider.
It's a busy spider.
Roar.
Roar, dinosaur.
Butterfly.
Butterfly, yes.
Ants.
Yes, that is an ant.
Ants. Insect.
Insect, yes.
So when I came home, Cara was the only one up, so I'm hanging out with her here. After 30 minutes, Kate actually came down because she woke up as well. Overall, I just been feeling a lot more tired, so I've been taking some time off. I'm trying to reschedule myself to where I can take a new nap. I feel like it would be really good for me. That's why when they were napping, I actually took out a 45-minute nap, and during that time, Cara woke up and I entertained her, and then Kate woke up, and now I'm entertaining both. Our dinner reservation is at 6 today, so Cara and Kate will be fed by Erica, and though she's my nanny, I still give her a lot of personal space time. Whenever I am home, I do take care of my kids, and she does for us, and she only takes care of them when I'm not there. Anyways, as I was playing with the girls, my package from Sephora came. I got a few things on sale and a few things I wanted to try out. I'll definitely do a review on them after I have start swatching or playing around with them. Anyways, I went upstairs, I cleaned up, took a quick shower. The girls wanted to join me, so then I gave them a shower, and by the time I was done, their dad came home. Bro, I can't eat with my sister-in-law. She for real did this. It's so cute. I didn't realize it till now. She'd be decorating my plants.
Get over here right now, girls. Daddy has to put it together.
It's just fall down.
Đi qua đây. Mệt. Katie, you so lucky. You ask for something and it comes the next day. It's like Santa is next to you. Where's Santa?
We're there.
Right there. That's Santa? Where's Santa?
No, she's a Christmas tree.
What happened?
She's a Christmas tree.
Oh.
She's a Christmas.
Is Santa real?
Uh-huh. No, Daddy's a Santa Claus.
Oh.
Santa Claus.
Daddy Santa Claus, so you know who to negotiate with next year, right?
This one is trash.
I know. So now you know who to negotiate with, right?
Diamond.
No, yes, the first one that you're at, yes.
Thank you.
I want more grapes.
Okay, you open it, there should be a switch.
Thank you.
That's to you right around. Ngày càng đòn của con.
What is that?
Keep going. All the way, okay. More. 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 Turn it. More. Almost there. Almost there.
Yellow diamond. I got it.
More. Not done yet. More.
Okay. Thank you, diamond.
Okay. Now you're done. Okay.
Good job.
Okay, good job.
Chest.
Back away. Back away, Cara.
Back away, Kara.
Oh, time.
Ôi, khủng khiếp.
Bouncing. Are we done?
No.
Not yet.
Hold on.
Bouncing.
as their dad is finishing up, I'm gonna clear an area just so I can move this over more comfortably. Katie's gonna watch some TV and drink her coconut juice, and I'm gonna prep their dinner, and hopefully Erica can feed them, and then I can sneak off to my little date. Is it yummy? Kara, no throwing! Finally, I'm at Luvableviet. This is one of my favorite restaurants. I think I showed you guys this a lot, but I love that they're always mixing up their menu. They're always introducing something new, and there's always something that I can find in here that I just love. And after that amazing dinner, it's time to go home, and the girls already got their night routine done by Erica, and this is what we're gonna do before bed.
Wow, Kate, that's so pretty. You want another one?
One of a superhero. Superhero.
Wow.
Like white.
I know, you want to wear that one.
I'll like it.
Okay, we're gonna wear this one then. You change it to this one. That looks very nice on you too, Kate.
Then I'm gonna put the lipstick on.
Okay, now you get your crown. You wear a lipstick.
That's done. Yes.
What lipstick for you?
Wow.
What color?
Red.
Red? Let's try a new one, okay? It's my newest one. Let's try that one.